Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and I'm here at ND SatCom's factory event in Immenstadt. It's been a wonderful start to the day. We've heard from numerous speakers, including Alexandra Muller-Gestel, who's told us about the exceptional teamwork and staff they have here, which keeps ND SatCom at the forefront of technology.
Immenstadt likes to work with ND SatCom as a technology partner because they're a leader in their field. Most recently, we've cooperated with them on the through-the-rotor helicopter modem. We're working on some projects where we would collaborate and offer that to our customers. And that's the kind of thing we like to do, is work with other companies that we feel represent the best of breed for technologies and capabilities throughout the world. ND SatCom is one of our trusted partners.
Work with ND SatCom because of the advanced technology they have, and their modem integration has been fantastic. So we're very happy to be here for the first time and hope that this will be a good cooperation for the future.
It's been a fabulous day here in Immenstadt at the ND SatCom factory event. We've heard from different speakers, we've had technical sessions, we've had panellists from partner companies. But the one message that keeps on coming across, it's all about the teams and the people they employ, which makes ND SatCom a great success.